Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and today we are going to talk about YouTube Vanced not working. If you are finding problem with your YouTube Vanced, then today we are going to learn how to fix YouTube Vanced not working. So follow this channel or follow this video to get the information about how to fix your YouTube Vanced problem. And don't forget to also subscribe to this channel, like the videos, and also share the videos to your friends. Comment down below if you have any question, and let's move on. So before we start, please note this: don't skip any part of this video, as I am going to start this video right now. So what you have to do next is to go to your phone settings. So when you go to your phone settings, before you get to your phone setting, make sure you've downloaded your YouTube Vanced. So if you have not downloaded it, then let me lead you to how to download your YouTube Vanced. So what you have to do is to go to Play Store if you want to download it. If you've already downloaded it, then wait, please, I'm coming. Click on the Google Play Store. So when you click on Google Play Store, when you reach here, what you have to do is to click on the search bar and type in YouTube. YouTube Vanced. So when you search for YouTube Vanced, what you have to do next is to click on the first app that is going to appear, which is the PlayTube. So click on the PlayTube over here. So as you can see over here, PlayTube block us on video. So click over here, click on the install button, and wait for it to install on your mobile phone. So guys, let's wait for it to install on our mobile phone. If you've already installed it, then please wait. I'm going to teach you how to fix your Vanced not working. I mean, this app. If you already have this app or any other YouTube Vanced app, then wait. I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to show you how to fix any Vanced problem. So guys, let's wait as it's downloading. So guys, please exercise patience. Just let's wait small because it's going to download right now. It's almost getting to 60. So okay, so it's almost around 80%. Boom, it's now around 100%. So guys, it's almost done. So guys, you're almost done. So guys, we are done. So it's installing on our mobile phone. So let's wait for it to install on our mobile phone, and it's going to appear on our wallpaper. I mean the phone screen when you get your wallpaper. So guys, let's wait for a while. It's installing. Oh, this thing has kept long too much. So guys, please exercise patience. It will just finish right now. So you can read more about the app over here, about this app. So you see, as it says, you can watch YouTube without seeing any ads. So this, but I'm here to teach you how to fix the problem. So guys, as you can see, boom, we are now done. So what you have to do is to click on the open button when it's it's done with the installing. So when you click on the open, and this is what you are going to see, it's loading. So let's wait for it to load. So as you can see, videos are loading. It's like YouTube, you get me? So it's a YouTube Vanced app. So what you have to do is to go click on the library. So for now we are going to fix the problem. So watch me very careful, because this place is very important. So let's go. So when you click on the library, what you have to do is to go to the settings. So when you get to the settings, you see you need to click on the video and audio, the under, as you can see, default video resolution. So click on it and set it to best resolution. So when you set it to best resolution, what you have to do is to go to the next one, which is default pop-up resolution. So resolution, put it to the best resolution, you get me? So when you are done with this, then scroll to the top to see clear all cache. So clear all the cache. As you can see, all cache data has been cleared. All cache data has been has been. So when you click on the clear cache, all cache data deleted. So as you can see, it have been deleted. So after that, you click on clear watch history. So click on delete for you to delete all your watch history, and also clear search history. So delete your search history. So this is how to fix YouTube Vanced not working. So this is how to fix it, and after that you can now watch any video that you feel like watching on YouTube. So let's wait a while. So as you can see over here, this is my channel. So this is my channel, and this is my videos. So you can be watching any part of my videos. So this is how to solve it. You can watch videos, with this YouTube Vanced app. Thank you very much for watching this video. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends on social media. I'll be very, very happy if I see you sharing or supporting me by sharing this video to people on Facebook and also WhatsApp and other social media platforms to get more views and subscribe it. I want a lot of people to follow us so that our family will grow high. Like I want our family to grow big. You get me? So please help us or help me to reach that level in life. So help me. I know you guys can do more than this. Thank you very much for doing this, and also thank you for subscribing and liking and also commenting. We are going to meet in our next video. So don't forget to share this video, as I said. Yeah. So bye. We go talk much.